मी करीना बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो और आज का वीडियो होगा मेरा पोटैटो का मेकओवर. बट बिफोर रिवीलिंग द पोटैटोज मेकअप फर्स्ट आई नीड द ड्रम रोल. So guys, this is my cute little potato and it looks so pretty, you guys. Her base is so flawless and look at the eyeshadow. Oh my god. So yeah, I hope you guys will be interested in watching my potatoes makeover. So without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. No. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. One, two, three, no. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. No. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you.
So yeah, that was the power of makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed my potatoes makeup. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys are notified. And also, if you guys want me to make any kind of video, let me know in the comment section down below. I love to do that for you guys. See you all guys in my next video. Ta-da!